In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly export mind maps from Miro. Miro is a fantastic collaborative whiteboard platform that many of us use for brainstorming, planning, and idea mapping. However, getting those intricate mind maps out of the digital realm and into a format that you can share or use elsewhere might seem a bit daunting. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. To start, you'll need to visit Miro.com. Head over to the website, and once you're there, click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using either your email or your Google account. If you prefer using your email, simply click on continue with email and proceed to enter your information. It's always a good idea to ensure your login credentials are readily available to avoid any hiccups at this stage. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here, locate the board that contains the mind map you wish to export. Click on your board to open it. Once it loads, direct your attention to the top left of the screen where you'll see the option Board Export. Go ahead and click on that. This drop-down menu gives you various export options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select Save as Image. At this point, Miro will allow you to adjust the selection area. What this means is that you get to decide exactly how much of the mind map you want to export. Make sure to adjust the selection area carefully to capture the entire mind map. You wouldn't want to miss out on any critical details that you put so much effort into crafting. It might take a little adjusting, but this ensures you get everything you need in your image file. Once you're satisfied with the selection, it's time to proceed by clicking on Export. Miro will then prepare your file and begin the download process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your mind map, this might take a moment. Once completed, you'll have your mind map saved as an image, ready to be shared, printed, or integrated into other documents. And there you have it. With these easy to follow steps, you can export your Miro mind maps with confidence, keeping your valuable work accessible in a more versatile format. Whether for presentations, collaborative reviews, or personal reference, having those mind maps readily available outside the Miro platform can be incredibly beneficial. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!